Lep pozdrav z komentatorskega mesta na celjskem stadionu z dežele, drage prijateljice in prijatelji nogometa. Dobrodošli v družbo prvakov in prve lige Telemach. Predzadnje dejanje v 14. krogu je derbi med zadnjima slovenskima državnima prvakoma, trenutno pa četrtovrščenim Celjem in vodilno Olimpijo, ki v na lestvici loči 5 točk. V prihodnjem tednu, v četrtek, o tem morda malce več kasneje. Tu je Matko, spretnejši od Lukasa. Matko preigrava priložnost za Celje in obramba Vidovška. Obramba Vidovška ostaja 0:0.
Ja, izjemna priložnost za Matka. Lahko bi morda streljal z drugo nogo, ko je že preigral igralca. Praktično verjetno bi tudi sam presenečen, da se je znašel sam pred Matevžem Vidovškom.
Raul do žoge ob Zecu, tam se ponuja Talison na levi strani, Raul bo zaključil sam, mimo gola Raul Floruč, 18. minuta.
Ja, to je ta hitra tranzicija po odzeti žogi, kjer je Olimpija izredno kakovostna.
V obrambo vrnil Tamar Svetlin.
Ja, največja nevarnost bo ravno preko Floruča in pa Blanka.
Zdaj pa Matko hiti proti vratom Olimpije. Matko je v priložnosti, mimo gola. Aljoša Matko, še enkrat nevaren za Olimpijin gol.
Ja, zelo razigran je Aljoša Matko danes, predstavlja kar težavo.
In bodo jasno prihodnji četrtek lovili naslednjo v evropskem tekmovanju. Zdaj pa velika napaka Zeca. Raul Floruč zdaj preigrava osamljenje. Floruč prihaja do udarca in gol! Žoga je v mreži po samostojni akciji Raula Floruča. V 50. Olimpija vodi z 1:0.
Ja, izgledalo je, da bo težko preigral oba centralna branilca, potem pa se je nekako odločil, da pelje žogo v levo smer, odločil se tudi udarec z levo nogo, bil je izredno natančen, presenetil tudi Matjaža Rozmana in vodstvo Olimpije za 1:0. Igro 1:1, predvsem branilca Njeta, ki je obrnil hrbet v tem.
Zdaj še ena priložnost za Olimpijo, vendar tokrat prek vrat. Ali je tam streljal Alex Blanko, ali bo to kot za Ljubljančane vendarle. Poglejmo zdaj Svita Sešljarja ali pa morda Brniča. Brnič vendarle in obramba Vidovška. Kakšna obramba Matevža Vidovška, 82. minuta. Sta pripravljena za vstop v igro pri Olimpiji, še predtem pa kot Brniča. Odbija Vidovšek, še ena priložnost za Celjane, žoga pa mimo gola.
Mislim, da se je ob tem tudi Vidovšek ob tem posredovanju poškodoval. Kreirajo igro, kar je pa seveda voda na mlin Olimpije.
Svetlin. Dobra poteza Svetlina, Njeto, potem pa Matko mimo gola. Matko in brez zadetka, kakšna priložnost za Celje v 89. minuti. Bojan Mertik v kazenskem prostoru, zdaj pa podaja Ivana Brniča pred vrata, Vidovšek boksa. Še enkrat samo do Brniča, še ena podaja pred vrata Olimpije in priložnost za 11-metrovka. 11-metrovka bo za Celje v 95. minuti. Nekdo je nastreljal nekoga v Olimpijini obrambi, očitno v roko, in Bojan Mertik je pokazal na belo piko. Tu celo zgleda, da si je Mohamed Begović ščitil obraz, 11 metrovka pa bo za Celje. Vendarle Matko je vzel zalet, potem pa strel prek gola, Aljoša Matko, kaj takega, ostaja 0:1 in to je tudi končni izid srečanja. Olimpija se veseli zmage na derbiju na stadionu z Dežele po zgrešeni 11 metrovki Aljoše Matka v 99. minuti.
Mr. Riera, we will start at the end of the game. Basically, you had a chance for a point, but a missed penalty, so you go home with nothing.
Is the important the penalty or the game, the whole game?
I think the penalty is also important.
No, the game is the way how one team plays and the other one. In May we will see who is champion. I told them today didn't beat us Olimpija. We lost. This is first, and I got. But this is 3 months, cannot be 10 months like this. You cannot win games just with the help of God. You need to prove on the pitch. Today, we shoot 24 times. Mm-hmm. We didn't have a good performance individually. I am disappointed. I am angry with them. I told them in the dressing room because today was probably the easiest game of this season, the easiest against the team that they are saying that is the first. But this is, of course, this is long, but disappointing because today was a game to destroy the opponent, to show who is the team.
But you basically did everything, just the goal.
The players, they are the most important. Yeah. They need to shoot better. 24 times you shoot to the goal, 4 on goal. Very difficult to score goals. At the end is goals, but also I have to say, Olimpija at least they have goalkeeper. This I can say, they have goalkeeper. I will say good words for my ex-player Vido Celje. They have a great goalkeeper, and they are not conceding goals, but the way how he's playing one team or other team, we should kill the game before. And I repeat, I had the feeling that it was the easiest game, not only of this season, of my career. I didn't expect to play this game against that. I expect face to face, and that's the difference. Why is one team on one way, another way? They are happy with this way. I'm not happy. If I would be today Olimpija, I will be as a coach, even if we are winning, very disappointed of the performance. And also that's why we are too far on ideas on the way how to play. But yeah, it's true. People will say the football is about result, but result is not making me happy only. I want to see my team enjoying on the pitch and playing well, and this is what we are trying. But at the end, you have to create, you have to convert the chances that you create. But during 10 months, just with luck, it will be difficult to win titles.
Another tough game on Thursday. You're going back home, basically, Real Betis, and then Primorje. Basically, there's no stopping you. There's no time to rest.
Yeah, but okay, we'll have time to think about better. We still have 4 days. Today, I repeat, to play Europe and to think about these beautiful games, you need to win your championship. You need to win here. So now focus on this. I'm focused on tomorrow with the players. I will keep the things that I have for the players with me. I never say in public about the things with the players. So I will keep inside. But if you want to win trophies, no games, trophies, you need to be a higher level. Individually, give me individually a good performance. Collective, you will give a better performance. So we need to improve. Even you can organize them, you can give the plan, but at the end that they need to score the goals. And I repeat again, the positive part is that the way how one team and the other team playing, if the people they want to open the eyes, not only to see the result, they will understand what I am saying. If you don't want to open the eye, you will say, listen, Olimpija won 1-0, and for me is that we lost the game, or we let them, because shooting, 2 times to the goal, you score 1 goal. A team that comes here to draw or to see what will happen wins. This is ugly for the football. This is ugly, but can happen, and I think we will continue fighting, and we will see in May.
A tough game. Celje statistically, they had possession, they had shots and everything, but your tactics paid off.
Yeah, first of all, thank you. Okay, football is this. The possession, you have to be useful with the possession for me. So we have examples recently in conference games. Both teams, we beat our opponents with little possession. Even I think that Celje had 20-something% of possession against their opponents. So this is football. Possession is, my opinion is, to try to be useful possession. We knew that was going to be a very tough game, and we prepared ourselves to be strong in defense. Is normal. Celje here in their home, they have these quality players. They are double size our budget, so that also you see in the capacity that they have on the pitch. But for us, this is not an excuse. I don't say this in advance. We don't use. We prepare our games. And that's all. We did our game very good. We were able to score the second, and they put the ball out from the line, and with this we can kill the game. At the end, we saw also our face. We are very happy with our players because they are a strong character, they are fighting, and they are doing the things very good. And of course, we dedicate this win to Lucas because it's very sad. For that reason, it's an important win for us, but we cannot be happy 100%. You look in my face. Let's see what is the final report from the doctors, but has bad looking. So we hope he can get the less injury as possible.
The games don't stop. You go to Helsinki on Thursday, and then the big derby against Maribor.
Next game. For us today was another game. I said to Albert at the beginning, it's too long till the end. So whatever has happened, it's going to be too long till the end. We got the result. We continue very solid. We showed our character. We are able to compete against any kind of opponent, home, away. So we want to continue like that.
3-4 minute nazaj je izgledalo, kot da se boste nekako soigralci skupaj zvlekli, pa vendarle Aljošin strel absolutno preslab. Boljši nasprotnik ste bili, vsaj kar se statistike tiče, pa vendarle ničla.
Res je, da smo skozi celotno tekmo nekako dominirali, da smo imeli kontrolo nad igro. Olimpija nekako se postavila nazaj, čvrsto stala v bloku, pretila na protinapade. Mi pa se mi zdi, da smo bili spredaj malo preveč nekonkretni, morali bi biti bolj nevarni za gol.
Zdaj, ko smo že pri golih, morda celo, ali pa en izmed najlepših golov letošnje sezone iz sredine proti vam, potem pa zdaj ne vem, ali je Raul dejansko ciljal tja, kamor je. Zadev je točno ta, kjer pač vas ni bilo oziroma niste mogli priti zraven.
Pa ja, res je nekako iz protinapada, tako kot sem omenil. Mislim, da je po moje tudi malo palil žogo, da ni najboljši zadev in šla je not v malo mrežico. Škoda, res, se mi zdi, da smo si zaslužili več.
Zdaj drugi zaporedni poraz v prvenstvu, 8 točk zaostanka za Olimpijo. Najbrž situacija, v kateri si niste želeli biti, ne?
Ja, res je, tudi kot je naš trener rekel, da se novembra še ni osvajalo prvenstvo. Čaka še nas dosti tekem. Je pa res, da sedaj zaostanek je kar velik, ampak dejansko mislim, da še lahko se vrnemo v igro za naslov.
Četrtek, Španija, vemo, kaj Betis je, potem pa ob povrnitvi Primorje, ne pojenja ta nor tempo.
Pa res je, imamo težek tempo, ampak nenazadnje to je privilegij, da lahko igraš na 3 dni. Čaka nas nova tekma, novi dober nasprotnik. Verjamem, da bomo s fanti stisnili glave skupaj in prišli iz tega še močnejši.
Super gol, praktički iz sredine, slalom, i onda ste ciljali ovo ili je bilo malo sreće?
Ne, mislim, uvijek govorim sreće treba u nogometu, ali to sam ciljao normalno, dugi kut i evo, ušle.
Teška utakmica, Celje je bilo, što se statistike tiče, bolje, ali ipak na kraju 1-0 za vas.
Je, slažem se s vama. Bila je teška utakmica, mi smo imali naš plan. Možda nije bio tako dobar danas za gledat nogometno. Normalno nisu navijači navikli takvu Olimpu vidjeti, ali na kraju krajeva je bitno da smo uzeli 3 boda i idemo dalje.
Sad vas čeka izuzetno težak put Helsinki i onda derbi. Mislim, nema neke pauze.
Pa da, mislim, navikli smo, evo, od kad je počela sezona, igramo svaka 3 dana, tako uvijek govorimo, imamo dobar kader, možemo rotirati, tako da naviknuli smo na to i za sad nam ide dobro i nadam se da će biti još bolje.